been really hard for me. I don't know what to tell my parents. I'll keep on repeating this unit thrice. So I don't know what to do right now. It is only this unit that I have to pass for that I may graduate. But right now I can't. I have to repeat this unit again. So I don't know what to do. But it seems that I can't understand anything from this unit. This thing keeps dragging me down. I don't know what to do. I feel like my life is falling apart.